Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another week of Main Idea. Today we're going to review how to find the main idea in a reading passage. So I've pulled up our main idea anchor chart for us to review. So I can identify the main idea so I know what a story is mostly about, that key word, mostly about. Other keywords might be mainly about, summarize the story, or another good title. You're going to learn more about how to choose another good title later on this week. So where do we find the main idea? Could be at the beginning or the end of a story, could be in the title, the pictures, the lesson, the directions, or maybe there's a small blurb, which is just a couple of sentences. So today we're going to try and find the main idea in our reading passage. We're going to do one together and then you'll do one on your own. So we need to ask ourselves, what is this all about? All right, so here's our first reading passage that we're going to do together. The first thing we want to do, just like when we answered literal questions, is first preview our questions. So number 1, write the sentence in paragraph 3 that tells what mother pigs do while nursing their babies. So I'm going to need to pay close attention when I get to paragraph 3. Number 2, how do pigs eat? Number 3, what kind of games can pigs play? Number 4, we're going to underline the correct answer. So here are 2 main idea questions. This story is mainly about, right? There's that key word, mainly about. And number 5, what is the last paragraph mainly about? So for question 4, they want to know what the whole passage is about. And for number 5, just the last paragraph. So let's go ahead and read our story. Follow along with me. Pigs are surprising animals. Many of the things that we think about pigs are not true. For example, pigs do not eat like pigs. They eat slowly and seem to enjoy their food. They also don't sweat like pigs because they can't sweat. Pigs are not dirty. They are very clean. They enjoy taking a bath in water or mud. You may not know that pigs are friendly and enjoy living with each other. They like to snuggle together and they like to sleep nose to nose. Pigs like to listen to music. Mother pigs sing to their babies while nursing them. Pigs are much smarter than you may think. They have a good sense of direction. They can find their way home over great distances. Pigs can even play video games with a joystick. They are one of the smartest and cleanest domestic animals in the world. All right, now that we've read our passage, now it's time to answer our questions. So you're going to go ahead and answer 1, 2, and 3, okay, on your own. And we're going to do numbers 4 and 5 together because today I just want to focus on the main idea. So this story is mainly about. So I need to underline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to my line tool. And then I'm going to try and think, okay, what is this whole story mainly about? Let's look at our choices. What we may not know about pigs, okay, that could be, right? Because I know it talked a lot about things that we weren't sure and things that were not true. B, cute newborn piglets. Yeah, they talked a little bit how cute they were, but maybe not the whole thing. So I don't think it's B. I could cross that answer out. Letter C, pigs that can play games. They did talk about them playing video games at the end, but it wasn't what the whole story was mainly about. It's really all about what we may not know about pigs. So there's my underline. Now I'm going to look at number 5. What is the last paragraph mainly about? So unlike number 4, where it's talking about the whole reading passage, number 5 is just talking about the last paragraph. So this is the only part of the story that I'm going to focus in on. Pigs are much smarter than you may think. I think this paragraph is going to be all about how smart they are, and it tells me right here in the first sentence. So let's look at our choices. How pigs like to bathe? No, it doesn't talk about pigs bathing. B, how mother pigs treat their babies? Not in this paragraph. C, how smart pigs are? Yes, because it says pigs are much smarter than you may think. So I'm going to go to my line tool, and I'm going to underline how smart pigs are. So now, boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and do the next slide completely on your own. Remember your strategies. You're going to preview your questions, you're going to read the whole story, and then you're going to answer your questions. Don't forget, for the first 3, numbers 1, 2, and 3, you need to use parts of your question in your answer. Make sure that you have used some of the words in the question when you are typing out your answer. All right, my friends, have a great day.